Today was special for the NRPB in particular because of the fact that we hosted for the very first time the new State Secretary, Secretary van Huffelen. We were able to give her an overview of the program that we are managing and implementing on behalf of government, and also answer a few questions that she had. We were able to give her a short tour of some of the projects and to give her a small little sample of what the trust fund is doing on St. Martin. So we were able to see some of the areas that is being impacted positively by the trust fund, and we are happy that she was very much impressed with what is going on. One of the things that we have to constantly remind ourselves is the time that it took for us to get to where we are, but taking that time into consideration, seeing the impact of what has been done on St. Martin with regard to some of the projects within the trust fund, and then look forward to finalizing the other projects. So all in all, the State Secretary was very much pleased with what she's seen as she has indicated to us, and we look forward to the continuation and the completion of this trust fund as we move on into the future years.